You have reached the Sprint PCF voicemail box of 440-915-4517.
Hey Mark, and it's Mike. Just calling to let you know your bike's all done. And yeah, I got it all nice and pretty for you, so whenever you want to come pick it up, just let me know. Alright, bye.
Dude, hit it. Other side.
I hate you guys, man. Really? God damn, dude. Dude, I knew you'd love it. I knew you'd love it, dude. Is it pretty or what? Look, wait.
Wait, do the back. There you go.
Isn't the gay pride parade today? I missed it, man. Oh, that's what's up, dude.
It's
That's
never
what's
too late
up.
to join it.
So what do you think, dude? Fuck you guys. How much time did it take you to do this, man? Oh yeah, you owe me like 9 hours on labor and short fees and supplies.
Yeah, okay.
I got $1,000. Hello Kitty basket, dude. Really? Hello Kitty basket?
Your whole
My man-
bike,
so you-
son.
Your
Right.
whole bike.
My name's
My
Mark
name's
Mower.
Mark Nowak, and I got punked.